everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to change or set a theme in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to change theme or set a new theme in your device Infinix Hot 20, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to set a new theme or change a theme in your device.